All right. Trade breakdown, little trade breakdown. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. So trade breakdown, pretty simple. Okay. We have, we had this, boom, we went up. H4 fair value gap, daily fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap. We went here during the night. Now, luckily, we had this retrace this morning into these two H4 fair value gap as well. So nice. Then we had H1 disrespected. Okay, all good. Now look at this. The last H4 fair value gap was this one. We tapped into it, disrespected it. Then we tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap. The last thing that could hold us with the last line of defense right here, that was pretty much the 1 hour structure. So then what I was looking for, a sharp turn on the 15-minute, and that's what we got. We deliver with the bearish order flow. So fair value gap bearish in the PD array and out of the PD array super quick. So sharp turn, V-shape, recovery, whatever you want to call it. So at first, when we created this first 15-minute, I was looking for price to come back into this one. We didn't. We went higher. We swept. I mean, we run the H1 high. So on the 1 hour, this high. So as we did this, we fucking arrived in a bearish 1 hour fair value gap. So I was expecting price to pull back a little bit. But the good thing is when we pull back from this area, as I was expecting, we had this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So I was like, okay, higher time frame is bullish. So the odds that we just tap into it and then continue and destroy this PD array, it's higher. So now on the 5-minute, what I had as well, 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So super nice. On the 3-minute, nothing. On the 1-minute, I had this. So I was really looking for a bounce in this area. The best scenario would have been a bearish fair value gap in the area, bullish fair value gap out. So we didn't really get the bearish fair value gap in. We only got one out. So for me, it's not a sharp turn. So at this moment, what I'm looking for is just a order flow entry. So what I want to see is bullish fair value gap being created and going up. Super simple. So what we had, we first bullish fair value gap. So at this moment, I'm not entering because it's not confirmed that it's a nice clean bullish order flow. So I wait, we respect the low, we go higher, and now it started to chop. So I was less optimistic at that time because we were getting closer to these too high. So I'm like, okay, if I get a trade, I'm gonna get like something like this 142, and the 142 is just going to be above my internal high, and I don't like this because it's kind of guessing at this point. So what happened, I'm like, okay, we chop. Now we create this breakaway gap, and at this point I was like, oh man, fuck, wait, okay. On this candle I was like, okay, pretty sure I don't get an entry. So I still put an entry here, stop loss here, 142. And if the high would have been taken before my entry, I would have removed it. But instead, what we did, we disrespected this gap, went into this one, and I got filled. And then I was super aggressive with my stop. When the candle was like this, I immediately moved it here to mitigate risk, and then I got TP pretty quickly. And and here is a good example of why, if fucking, let's say I would have an enter here because I didn't get my fair value gap at the right place, or my entry was not the best, then look at this. Let's say this is a 142. Now it's pretty sketchy because I'm already super close to the internal high, and look, now we're dropping. So yeah, so that's why I don't like taking entries after when my TP is above internal high, like super wide, like if the internal high is there and my TP is there, I mean, I don't really mind. It's not A plus setup. I'm gonna be super aggressive with my stop because we could just sweep the high and then retrace. So that's why when I get these kind of setup, I know they're not A plus. They're like A setup, but I can convert them to A plus setup with me moving my risk during the trade and going break even super quick and just not risking my more than I should. I mean, you get it. So yeah, that's the trade breakdown for today. W. What the fuck? Not excuse. Maybe.